string forms into a perfect circle. Watch the ball, it just goes inside the box. Let go of it. Coin magically disappears. They pour through the blue liquid. Watch, you just move the cup across the table.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 10 magic tricks revealed. This week's episode of How to Magic is brought to you by ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN enables users worldwide to protect their privacy and security online with just a few clicks. In the United States, internet service providers can legally sell your data to ad companies. And I don't know about you, but I don't want my data sold to other companies without me knowing about it, so that's one reason why I use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN also allows you to reroute your connection to a server in a country of your choice, making geo restrictions a thing of the past. This works especially well for Netflix when you run out of things to watch and want to see what is available in other countries. Protecting my online data is really important to me because I have a daughter who's learning at home, doing the virtual learning, online learning, so it's really important to me that we protect our data and stay safe. Governments, large corporations, and websites constantly surveil you and harvest your data for their own agendas, and ExpressVPN puts a stop to all of that by encrypting your data and hiding your location. Find out how you can get 3 months free by visiting expressvpn.com/EvanEra. So again, special thanks to our sponsor for this episode, ExpressVPN. Be sure to check out their link in the description. It's super easy to use, just one click. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is a super cool trick that you can set up at home right now. Check it out. So check this out. I've got a square bubble sheet here. There's a sheet of bubble right here in between these straws. Kind of hard to see, I know, because it's clear, but there's a bubble right here. So check this out. I've got a loop of string and I'm going to set it on the bubble. Look. And just like that, the string forms into a perfect circle. Look, it's like a bubble vortex. It's like an anti-bubble, like the opposite of a bubble. Just a perfect hole right through the middle of a bubble. So crazy, look at that. For this trick, we're going to use a deck of cards, and I have a glass bottle here that we've rubber banded up so that nothing can get inside the top. Now we're gonna set the bottle aside for now, and we're going to just use the deck of cards for this part. So you're just going to choose one card. You're gonna see any card as I riffle through here and just lock it in your mind. Not the first one, that's too obvious. I'm gonna take our banded up bottle here. You can see it's empty. Now I also have the deck of cards. Keep your card that you picked locked in your mind. Now watch. Take the bottle like this, and the cards, 1, 2, 3. And look, one single card appears locked inside the bottle, the King of Hearts. You can see the bottle is still rubber banded on top. The card is trapped inside the bottle. No way it can get out or in. Is that your card, the King of Hearts? Okay, really cool trick here. I have 3 bottles of magic liquid. So we have 1 red, 1 blue, and 1 green, as you can see. We also have 3 little glasses right here. We have 1 here, and then the other 2 here I'm going to stack on top of each other like this. And then it's gonna go right there on top. So we have all 3 glasses now stacked on top of each other. So what we're going to do is take each one of these liquids and pour them into the individual glasses. But the way it's gonna happen is absolutely crazy. So check this out. We're gonna start with the blue liquid and it's gonna go in the top glass, okay? Nothing really magical about this. It just fills the top cup like so. Now, here is where the magic happens. So we've got the blue liquid in the top cup. We're now going to take the red liquid and pour it into the middle cup. Watch. really cool trick that you can do at home with a glass of water. You can do this with really any cup, any glass. So you're gonna sit it on a table, and you're gonna take empty hands like this and watch. Just move the cup across the table using the power of your mind. Stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Okay, this is the magic ball in the box trick. So check this out. I have a little plastic ball inside this clear cube. You can see it. So we're gonna remove the lid. Check this out. It's just a normal little plastic yellow ball, and the box is normal as well. Also, the rubber band is completely normal. So you can hand all of these out for inspection to the audience. Then you're gonna take the box and actually close it up and rubber band it shut, just like that. So there's absolutely no way anything can get in or out of it. You're then gonna take the little ball and present it to your audience. The ball in this hand and the box over here. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, the ball magically penetrates the box. Absolutely crazy. You can take the rubber band off, hand everything out for examination. Stay tuned for the end of this video. I'm giving this trick away to one lucky comment. Here's a really cool trick that you can do at home with just a coin and a marker. So check it out. You're gonna take them down like this and watch. You're gonna take the coin here and the marker just like this, and you're gonna tap the coin with the marker. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And the coin magically disappears just like that. Now look, the coin actually goes inside the marker's cap. Look. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna teach you how to do it at home. Okay, check this out. This is called the dancing cane. Watch, I just let go of it and it floats to the other hand. Watch. Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with this little candle right here. I have it lit right down here on this plate in the middle of a pool of water. You can see there's some blue water on the plate. I also have an empty glass bottle here. Now I want to show you a trick with the bottle that's really amazing. So watch the water on the plate. I'm going to take the bottle and put it over the candle. Watch what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And the water is impossibly sucked up into the bottle just like that. Okay, check this out. I have a really cool trick to show you with this coin. So I'm going to set the coin down on the table, and it's going to position these forks just like this. Now I have 4 batteries here that I'm going to position like this. Now check this out. Watch the coin. And just like that, the coin begins to magically spin. Alright, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is how you set up the magic bubble string circle trick. You're going to need some straws, or you're going to need a piece of wire to create a shape like this and a little stand to hold it up. You're also going to need a length of string, about 1 foot in length, so that you can take your bubble solution and run it across the top. That is the other thing you're going to need is some bubble solution, and you're going to put your string down inside just like this. The other thing you're going to need to prepare before you start is this right here, just a loop of string. You want to use kite string, something like that, and you're just going to create this perfect little loop by tying it right here and then trimming off the excess with scissors. And then you're going to go right across the frame just like this, and you're going to create a bubble using the string. Take the little loop of string and you're going to drop it. Now once you get it to sit on the surface of the bubble, it will not be a perfect circle shape yet. It will take that shape as soon as you pop the inside of the bubble. That is the inside of the string. The reason the string forms into a perfect circle is because the forces acting between the molecules of the bubble cause it to form into the shape that encloses the most volume, and as we know, a circle is going to be the biggest volume for this piece of string, so that is why it instantly becomes a circle. Surface area. Okay, here is the secret to making the card that someone thinks of appear inside the bottle. You're going to need a deck of cards, and there's a little bit of prep that you're going to do before the trick starts. You're going to take a random card from the deck and trim off just a little bit from the end of the card, just like that. You're going to find the card in the deck that you want to force, and you're going to put your cut card right in front
front of it. Place the remaining cards in the deck back into position, and now when you riffle through the cards like this, the king will automatically have a break in front of it. It will hold a little bit longer than the rest of the cards. That way it's like a visual force. So instead of having them pick a card physically, you have them pick one visually. That way, when you set up the bottle, which we'll get to right now, you're gonna have the duplicate King of Hearts inside. Now you're gonna do that by simply rolling it up and sticking it inside the bottle. You're then going to take a rubber band and it's going to go around the base of the bottle and the top of the card like this. So if I let off tension, that card's gonna shoot inside of the bottle because of the tension of the rubber band. Now I do that at the exact same time that I spray the cards to provide cover, and the bands will automatically pop into place like this so you can show, look, it's still sealed. There's no way the card can get out of the bottle. And that is a cool card trick I invented just for this video. Try it out at home and let me know your results.
Okay, here is how this one is done. These are the Magic Crazy glasses. This is a classic magic trick and it's all built in to these cups. So check it out. This one is normal. It's the only one that is normal out of the three, but the other two are built specifically for the trick. You can see this one has a tube hidden down inside of it that's separated into two different columns. And on the bottom, it's got a hole, and then the top cup, even fancier, it's got a top like this that has instructions on where to pour to get the liquid to go into each cup. The top, and you want to make sure you stack the cups in order. Ask your audience which cup they want to pour it into, the middle, the top, or the bottom, and then just pour it into the designated chamber. So the design of the cups makes it to where each of the liquids will drain into their designated containers. Super cool. Okay, here is the secret to magically moving a glass with your mind. The secret is this right here. Now, under these lighting conditions and with this background, you can clearly see it. This is just a piece of clear packaging material. We're gonna put it underneath the glass just like this. You're gonna use your pinkies to contact the bottom of the little piece of plastic just like that. Now you're just going to push forward. You do it on a busy background. This very well camouflages into it. Okay, here is the explanation for the magic ball in the box trick. This is the Disintegration chamber. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com. Kind of an alternate handling of that. So it comes with the little plastic ball and the little plastic cube. It's exactly the same length on all sides. Now that's key because the whole secret to this trick is rotating the box this way so that the bottom is open. So you're gonna bring it out like this with the ball in the box and the rubber band. While the spectator is inspecting the ball, you're simply going to take the lid to the case and put it back on the bottom of the box instead of on the top, leaving the bottom of it open. Now, while their attention is still on the ball, you're gonna take the little box and start rubber banding it up. Now, it looks like we have the plastic cube all closed up. Now, we're gonna take the little ball, hold it in our hand right below it. We're gonna present it to the spectator by saying, watch the ball and the cube, 1, 2, 3, and you're just gonna push up like this. And you can see the ball is going to pop right inside. Now the beauty of this is the spectator can then lift this up and you can see the rubber band is going to hold the ball in place, so it really creates a convincing illusion that the bottom of the cube is completely solid. You can then take the rubber band off. You just have to be careful to hold the bottom so that the ball doesn't fall out. Here is the explanation to making the coin vanish and appear out of the marker cap. This is really easy and you can do it at home. All you need is a single coin and a marker or a pen. It has to be one with a removable lid. You're going to start out with the coin in this hand and you're going to hold the marker in this hand. Now you're going to tap the coin and at the same time you're going to make this motion. Now the reason you're doing that is because on the count of 3 you're going to toss this coin up into this hand. It's going to happen so fast that the viewer can't see it, and this big motion of tapping the coin and this hand moving is going to cover the motion of you tossing the coin into this hand. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3 like that, and you're going to hide the coin in this hand. And then you're going to take the marker and remove the lid like this, still concealing the coin here. And you're going to take the lid and do this motion right here as you drop the coin into your other hand. So full speed, it's going to look like this. The coin's here. 1, 2, 3. You're then going to take the lid off, put the marker down, hold the lid in this hand, and pop the coin out of it. Okay, this is the secret to the magic dancing cane trick. As you can see against this background, the black wire is visible. When performed against a busy background or on stage from a distance, this wire is completely invisible to the naked eye. So you're going to loop this onto one of your fingers, on each one of your hands just like this, and then you can control the cane and make it look like it's dancing. Stay tuned for the end of the video. You can win this in this week's giveaway. Okay, here is what you're gonna need to set up the magic water in the bottle trick. You're gonna take some water, you're gonna pour it on a plate with a little candle right in the middle, and we're just gonna add a few drops of food color
So it makes the water visible. So you want to put the candle right in the middle of the plate and make sure it's lit. And your other bit of preparation is with the bottle. Put a little bit of rubbing alcohol inside the bottle. You want to do this before the trick starts. And then we're just going to swish that around so that it coats the inside. Once you take the bottle and invert it over top of the flame will ignite the alcohol inside the bottle, instantly creating a vacuum and sucking the water up inside the bottle. Watch. Okay, this is a really fun trick that you can do at home by recording it on your cell phone or your camera, and then you're gonna play it in reverse. So all you need are some forks, some batteries, and a coin. So you're gonna start out like this, and you're gonna spin the coin right in the middle of that. Now you wanna make sure you get a good spin to where it lands right in the middle when it stops spinning. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like playing it not in reverse, that is in real time. So I'm gonna spin the coin, and we're gonna let it come to a stop right there. Then immediately once it stops, I'm gonna move one of the batteries back, the other one back, this one back, this one back, move one of the forks back, there. Then I'm gonna pick up the coin, and I'm gonna show it to the camera. So that when I play it in reverse, it'll look like I put the coin down, move these forks into position, move the batteries like this, and then the coin will start spinning. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. Liking and sharing the video really does helps the YouTube algorithm, helps more people see this video, and get more subscribers for the channel. We are on the road to 3 million subscribers. Please subscribe if you're new. There's a button right down there somewhere, and make sure you tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. You get a little notification on your phone or your tablet and lets you know when we post a new video. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm gonna give away some decks of cards, some disintegration chambers, the dancing cane, the crazy glasses. All of that stuff is up for grabs in this week's giveaway. All you have to do to win, be subscribed to EvanEraTV, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm gonna go through, read all the comments in the comment section, and choose the winners. I'll mail out the magic to you so you can perform these amazing tricks at home. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. If you won the giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Congratulations to our winners, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and leave your comments down below. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have a lot of really cool magic tricks, laugh at life gear, pranks, and a lot of other fun stuff that you can't find anywhere else. So head over to the link in the description, EvanEraTV.com. That is EvanEraTV.com. Thank you for all your support. Again, special thanks to our sponsor for this episode, ExpressVPN. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you.